Will AI take over? Many people find AI or artificial intelligence fascinating, while some believe it's a little scary. You've seen it in movies like The Terminator, where robots become super intelligent and want to control the world. But is that really going to happen? Let's talk about it. Movies often show AI as something dangerous. We see robots that look like humans becoming evil and fighting against us. These movies make us think, could AI really become a threat? Right now, the AI we have is not like the robots in the movies. Today's AI is used for many helpful things. For example, AI helps your phone understand what you say. It helps websites recommend things you might like. And it even helps doctors read x rays. But some people worry about the future. They think that as AI gets smarter, it might become too powerful. They ask questions like, will AI start making decisions on its own without us? Or could AI become smarter than humans? One of the technologies that makes people think about this is called machine learning. This is when we teach computers to learn from data, just like humans learn from experience. The more data they get, the better they become at tasks. Another technology is neural networks. These are computer systems designed to work like the human brain. They can learn very complex things. Some people worry that these advanced AI systems might develop goals that are different from ours. Think about self driving cars. They use AI to drive without a human. This is very impressive, but it also shows how much control we are giving to machines. What if something goes wrong? Experts have different opinions about whether AI will take over the world. Some experts say that we are still very far from creating AI that is as intelligent as a human, let alone more intelligent. They believe that we can control AI and make sure it is used for good. Other experts are more cautious. They say that we need to be careful about how we develop AI. They believe we should think about the possible risks and make rules to prevent problems. They talk about the importance of ethics in AI development, making sure AI is fair and doesn't harm people. It's important to remember that the movies show us a possible future, but it's not the only future. We have the power to shape how AI develops. By understanding the technology and talking about the risks and benefits, we can work towards a future where AI helps us and makes the world better. So, will AI take over the world? Right now, that seems like something from a movie. But it's important to have conversations about the future of AI and make sure we are developing it responsibly. What do you think about the idea of AI taking over? Does it scare you, or are you excited about the possibilities of AI? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about other interesting topics to improve your English, don't forget to like and subscribe.